Mark Van Berkel, and I'm the president of Hunch Manifest. And at Hunch Manifest, I'm responsible for the software architecture as well as internet marketing strategy. For this particular job, I've been working for 2 years. However, I have 12 years in the field, so I've been building up kind of a repertoire across the industry. And this specific job in the internet marketing space is newer, both to me and to the general industry. In a typical day, I have a variety of tasks I have to complete. So as the president of the company, I wear several hats. For instance, I have to manage the operations to make sure that the bills are being paid and the cash is being managed. Additionally, being responsible for the software and technology strategy, I have to make sure that the team members have the work that they need and have no blocks in their tasks. And so I would often sit down with them in these agile meetings to understand what they're working on, what's blocking them. But thirdly, it's also in the internet marketing strategy, we have to keep up to date. So I spend an hour or two each day understanding what's new in the news and understanding how technology is changing for internet marketing. And so this is quite a mix, but as a president, I have to be on top of a number of these things. So for this particular job, I had to take some training and some education. However, it wasn't a requirement. For me personally, I had an undergraduate degree in information systems, and then I took a master's of engineering, focusing in on information engineering, and then later took an MBA. However, this particular field doesn't require any of those things. The barrier to entry is low. It's because it's so new, there's no standards body, so anyone can essentially join in. With that being said, this particular industry has been can greatly leverage that education that I took, so that I can create better tools and be able to move faster and understand the market a bit quicker. So those education degrees that I took have certainly helped me and in our field. So the skills I need for this job include a couple of different things. Specific job skills, for instance, is managing money. So understanding what bills need to be paid in the next month, as well as what type of customers and revenue we have in the next month. So making sure that we have enough money in the bank to pay those bills. A second one is programming. So we have to be able to program in software and to make our tools more productive. And to be able to do that, though, you also have to have an attention to detail. So programming is something that requires you to focus for long periods of time to understand a lot of different aspects of the problem. But more generally, we have a skill set that's required in our field to be entrepreneurial, to be able to be willing to take risks and to experiment, to kind of get out of your comfort zone and understand through actions what is possible, and to kind of realize some of the things that can benefit you and your company and your clients.